Hi guys, welcome to another Tableau session. In this video, let us talk about add mark layers concept in maps. So what are these add mark layers and how these are different from dual axis? That means dual maps. Okay, for that, first what I have taken here is I have taken a dual map. So I have taken two latitudes and with this dual axis, so I brought two marks cards here. In the first marks card I have taken country wise profit, that is a field map. With this you are clear that it is a field map, right? Even I have taken profit to the color directly, and the second one I have taken sales to the size. I haven't added sales to the color directly. I went there here in the color window and I have chosen this red color. That's why all the symbols are coming in the red color. Okay, now here instead of using the same country map to represent sales and profits, let us make it more useful by what I'm doing here is, instead of showing only country map here, I'm adding state to the details so that the field map is converted to a state map. So what it is representing here, state wise profit details, whereas the symbols are representing country wise sales details. The bigger the size, the more the sales. Here, even if you observe, we got this orange blue diverging means, see, the thick in blue, the higher in profit. This orange means they are under losses. So you are able to understand this, right? Let me go to this color, even add the borders to the states so that it will be, see, you are adding the borders. Or else what we will do is, let me go to edit colors. Instead of this, I am taking the directly blue color, only blue. Okay, or else directly, don't add profit here, just take profit in the label. Okay, here this profit in the label, this is also highlighted, so it is showing country state wise profit details. So you are able to see this, right? State wise profits in the tooltip, right? So when you highlight this, then you will get the profit details like this. So instead of adding it to the color, I have added only to the label. Now here with this representation, we got country wise sales and state wise profit details. Even here, to make it more understandable or to make it more meaningful, even you can add state wise sales also. See, instead of adding profit, directly you can add state wise sales. So here, when you are adding this state wise sales, here you can compare the state wise sales along with the country wise sales. So this is also another possibility. See, based on your requirement, just choose the best possible ways. Now let us discuss about the same concept using add mark layers. So what are these mark layers? How we can use that? Let me open a new sheet. I am building a country map. Here, take the sales into size. Just increase the size a bit. Now, here again I want to bring the state map. So how we can bring the state map? Again you need to bring the latitude, and again you need to perform the dual map by selecting this dual axis, right? But from Tableau 2020.4 version, Tableau added a new feature. See, let me drag this state. When you started dragging this state to the map, see here you are getting one option, add a marks layer. So when you add a marks layer, just I'm adding state to this marks layer. See here you are getting two separate marks layers for country and state. In the dual map, what happened here? You have taken latitude. That's why the marks cards are like latitude. And in that, whatever the detail you have taken, based on that, the map is coming. Here, in this case, as and when you added state to the marks layer, directly you are getting with the name state. Here, the country. Now, here in this further state, I am taking filled map. See, only for India it is coming. So what is the solution? Just bring country to the detail. Now see, sorry, I thought of giving borders. Go to color, in the border, just make it white. So that, let me change this background map to normal, so that it is a bit clear. Now, see, this is representing the state-wise sales details. Sales into color. Let me add sales into color. Okay, and for the country-wide profit or sales. But you are unable to see it clearly, right? So as the state details are coming to the front, this symbol is hiding behind this state, right? Then in this case, what you need to do is just drag this state to the below. See here you are able to see this line, right? Just leave it like that. Now for the country, here we are showing country wise profits. Here I am changing the color directly to the red. I am not adding any color to the color legend, just I am decreasing the thickness. Opacity means it will decrease the thickness of visibility. Now see here, till this point we are clear that we are showing country wise profits in a symbol map and state wise sales details in the form of a filled map. Now what I am doing here, I am bringing city to the view, city to the map. I am adding even city details also. Again see, cities are coming only for India. Again same issue. Add it to the detail. Now see these city details. For this city I am taking the shape. Which shape I am taking? This star I am taking. Okay. Here what I am taking here is city wise order quantity I am taking. The matrix is up to your requirement. Based on the requirement, just take the metric. Here change the color to green. Let us take the color to green. See, even you are able to see the city wise order quantity. Even if you want to show here city wise profits, that also fine. See here, directly take city wise profit to the color and profit to the size. Color, edit colors, red and green, step color, 2 colors, advanced, start, and at center. Apply and OK. Now decrease the size. See, if the country is not visible clearly, just bring the country to the front. Let me change the country color. Purple. No, purple is not looking nice on this. Orange is nice, right? Yes. See, with the map layers in one map, let us see for this Australia clearly. So for this Australia, we are showing country-wise profit and city-wise, state-wise sales details, and even city-wise profit details, which one are giving profits and which cities are giving less. Even in Australia, if you observe here, some red stars are coming, right? So these states are giving losses. Here if you observe, here there are many star marks here, see in this area. So all these cities are giving us losses. So like this you can use the mark layers to add different levels of maps without adding these latitudes and longitudes in the row shelf or column shelf. Again, see, if you want to add even postal code also, you can. But be clear when you are representing all of them. See, it might be cluttering, right? You can't get any conclusions out of this, but let me show you here what I'm taking. I'm taking squares here. For the squares, even I'm bringing postal code wise customer count. So here, see, you're able to see these postal codes, right? Here, let me bring this postal code to the here. You're able. Let me zoom in. State-wise, city-wise, see postal codes. Let me change the color to this green. See, you're able to see these, right? So customer count, what is the customer count? See, like this you can add the mark layers in. So this is how you build the maps. Thank you guys.